Hey, you got some ventilation holes on your house you need to plug up? Well, check it out. Got just the thing for you. There's like a little mesh screen on the inside of there. You can barely see it, but the bugs and rodents can easily get in there. So we got these cool covers that we ordered. I'm going to show you, and then install them, paint them, and install them. It looks like the official name of these are louvers. So these are 2-inch. You get 6 a bag, 2-inch open screen aluminum louvers. I'm gonna go ahead and paint them black and install them. Then we put a little adhesive on there to make sure they stick really good. Okay, I'm just laying them out in the box like that. I'm gonna hit them with some spray paint. Some black gloss. Okay, what we did, after we painted them, flipped them around, just put silicone around the edge of them. And when you pop them in there, it makes a seal and the bugs can't get in between there. Take your finger and go around the edge like that.